replacing a roof is a major investment.
That's right. We've been working with Central Texas homeowners for over 20 years.
20 years.
And we're on roofs almost every day.
Look at Andrew here. He's on the roof, poking around.
So, we are answering the 7 most common questions that homeowners ask us about roof replacements.
All right, let's do this.
Starting with number 1. Do I need a roof repair? Or do I need a roof replacement? Tell him, Andrew.
Peter, I'm gonna tell him, man. In many cases, a repair can solve the problem. A few missing shingles, a damaged flashing detail, or a small isolated leak can often be fixed without replacing the entire roof. However, some common signs that replacement may be the better option include the roof is 12 to 15 years old or older, widespread shingle deterioration, multiple leaks in different areas, large areas of storm damage, granular loss across the roof surface. When those issues appear across large sections of the roof, repairs may become a short-term solution rather than a long-term fix. The goal should always be the right solution to your situation.
Number 2, how much does a roof replacement cost? The average cost for a roof replacement in Austin, Texas, based off a 3,000 square foot roof, is as follows.
Lowest is $12,000 to $14,000. Average, $13,000 to $15,000. And on the high end, $22,000 plus.
Pricing depends on many different variables. There's no set price for every single home.
The biggest factor when it comes to cost is ultimately going to be the size of your roof. The bigger the roof, the bigger the cost that's associated with it. Roof pitch plays a factor. The steeper your roof, the more material that's going to be needed. I can't stress enough how important it is to actually get boots on the roof so you can find all the fine details to get you the best quote.
Now that there's 3 of us on screen, here's number 3. Will my homeowner's insurance cover it?
Yeah,
That's a good one.
Homeowners insurance usually covers roof replacements when the damage is caused by a covered event. Examples of covered events often include hailstorms, wind damage, fallen tree limbs, and severe weather events. Insurance typically does not cover normal roof aging as well as wear and tear that naturally happens over time. For example, if shingles have simply reached the end of their lifespan, the replacement will likely be considered normal maintenance rather than an insurance claim. In some situations, filing a claim helps offset a larger portion of the replacement cost. In others, the damage may not meet the deductible threshold required by the insurance company. The goal is to give homeowners clear information so they can decide whether a claim is worth pursuing.
Number 4, how long does a roof replacement take? In our experience, the vast majority of roof replacement projects are completed in 1 day. If the roof has a really steep pitch, or is a more complex project, it could take longer. We understand that most homeowners want their project completed quickly. However, a roof replacement is not one that should be rushed. Remember, we want to provide you with a quality product. The most important day in the life of the roof is the day it's installed.
Number 5, and this is a big one. What happens during the roof replacement process? A professional installation generally follows a clear sequence. Step 1 is going to be property protection and preparation. The crew begins by protecting landscaping, siding, windows, and other important areas of the home. Step 2, full tear off. This is where we remove all the old shingles. All the existing material on the roof is completely removed all the way down to the decking. Step 3, decking inspection and repairs. Once the decking is exposed, our installers check it for damage and replace compromised areas. Step 4, installation of underlayment and flashing. This right here is the underlayment. It's the base layer of your roof. Flashing components and water-resistant underlayments are installed to help protect vulnerable areas on your roof, such as your valleys and penetrations as well. Step number 5, replacing or upgrading your ventilation. Proper ventilation helps regulate temperatures and moisture levels in the attic. This step helps extend the lifespan of your roofing system. Step 6, installation of new roofing materials. This is where your roof really starts to take shape, whether we're installing shingles, metal panels, or stone-coated steel, all done to manufacturer specifications. Step number 7, final quality inspection and cleanup. The crew performs a final inspection and removes all debris from the property. And then bang, you got a new roof.
Number 6, how long will my new roof last? Let's start with asphalt shingles. When properly maintained, an asphalt shingle roof, you could expect about 15 to 20 years out of it. Metal roofs, when properly maintained, can last anywhere from 30 to 50 years. A stone-coated steel roofing system could last you 30 to 50 years as well, as long as it's properly maintained. Other factors also affect longevity. Climate conditions like heavy storms and temperature swings can decrease the lifespan of your roof. as well as how well your attic space is ventilated.
Number 7. Do roofing companies offer financing?
The answer is yes, absolutely. Most roofing companies do offer financing. It can be both short-term or long-term, anywhere from 6 months to 15 years, whatever works best for your budget. But the most important thing is that homeowners should understand the payment plans and the interest rate before approving a finance plan. And those are 7 of the most common questions that we get asked as KangaRoof roofing advisors. Oh man, that was fun, huh? At KangaRoof, we want to help homeowners understand the roofing process. And never forget, we hop to it.